Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti.
Jojo, Shruti, what's up, Jo?
What's up? What's up? इस बार हमने ब्रेक भी नहीं लिया. हम immediately
हाँ.
BTS वाला रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं because we're in the zone. We're in the zone with the song. अभी हमने lyrics cover करे and what were you saying? You were saying something.
No?
No. It's okay. Sorry.
I completely forgot at that point कि हम immediately BTS में नहीं जा रहे हैं.
हाँ
So my
हाँ
reaction at that point was, and then later I was like, oh no, we had to like that's
हाँ.
why.
नहीं, but we're in it mentally,
Yeah.
spiritually, emotionally. So let's continue with the BTS. It says a walk down life's deepest lanes often reveals life's deepest lanes. Oh, so that is okay. I'm getting it now. These are like the deepest lanes of our own lives, where all these scenes have shown
Hmm.
us the love in our own journeys. I love it. I love it. So a walk down these lanes often reveals thoughts of love and deceit that have lingered long enough in our hearts. सब कुछ निकल के आता है, सब कुछ. 2 a.m. is not just that time of the night, but an emotion that engulfs us in deep thought. यार ये एक line जो they've described it. This is probably the brief that you give
Yeah.
to the set designers and the video team and everyone. And imagine to build off of this and to create this
You know, now
world that
that
they
line,
created
yeah, now that line
is
makes much more sense. You know that expiry line कि दुख की एक expiry मतलब दुख नहीं उसकी एक expiry date होनी चाहिए.
love,
You know, things that we hold on to,
deceit.
hurt and deceit that we hold on to in our own lives.
Yeah.
It's easy to forgive others, but stuff that we feel and what remains within us, that's something जो बहुत लोग छोड़ते नहीं है. You know, a lot of people जो कहते हैं यार, you know, when they became old, no, थोड़ी सठा से गए थे. Why? Because they held on to so much pain
So
and they
much.
let it go that it turned into that. And
नफरत दी कोई expiry होनी चाहिए थी.
that line कि नफरत की expiry, you know, खुद की self reflection of life and उन गलियों में, now it makes so much more sense.
Yeah.
एक line के अंदर अभी तो देखा भी नहीं है
अभी
पहले
तो देखा ही नहीं है. I swear. And that's the thing, like all these negative thoughts and emotions that we all go through, because when you've lived a complete life and you've experienced, like the inexperienced person will not know this. When you've lived a complete life with all the different ups and downs and situations and circumstances and hate and love and whatever other things, somebody's let you down, so you feel anger towards them. All these negative feelings need to have an expiry date. They will eat you up on the inside otherwise.
Well,
And
time helps, but time subdues it. You know, it doesn't just expire and be chucked until we
and
work on it. Huh.
so it made the thing I just remembered is Brené Brown. She did a whole like thing on who are the happiest people in the world. They are the people who live life fully, but also live life so in the present and let go. You
Let
know,
go.
like it's one of the more important aspects of joy. How to let go, not just
agree.
of bad things that you went through, but to let go of your inner resentment towards those things and your inner anger and your inner guilt or inner hatred or whatever it is that you're feeling. If you don't let it go, exactly, उसकी expiry date बहुत important है. So nice यार. Okay, ये description से ही ये सब हो गया. Brace yourselves, this is going to bring us more thoughts, this magical journey. चलो, ready?
Ready, yes.
1, 2, 3, play.
ਜੰਮਿਆ ਤੇ ਪਲਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਈ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਤੇ ਪੜਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲਾਹੌਰ 'ਚ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੀ ਵਾਰੇ ਨੇ ਯਾਰੇ ਪਰ ਕਿਸਮਤ ਨਾਲ ਲੜਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲਾਹੌਰ 'ਚ ਰੈਪ ਦਾ ਨਾਮੋ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਫਿਰ ਚੜਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲਾਹੌਰ 'ਚ ਟੀਵੀ ਚੈਨਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਟੀਵੀ 'ਚ ਵੜਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲਾਹੌਰ.
He's so good.
मेरा जो शहर है उकाड़ा बेसिकली ये एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड है कि 3 बड़े बड़े दरिया जो हैं उनका गुजरना है मेरे शहर से.
Wow.
साढ़े पंजाबियों का शहर है. बेस्ट सिटी इन एवरी वे. और मैं फुल्ली अपनी रूट्स के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ. क्योंकि मुझे लगता था ये मेरा स्टेज है और ये जो है ना उसके बाद ऑडियंस शुरू होगी. और यहाँ मैं इतना खुल के गाता था, इतना खुल के गाता था. मेरे बड़े गाने लिखे.
Wow.
कोई इक्का दुक्का बाइक को गाड़ी गुजरती थी और मैं यहाँ पर कितने साल चढ़ता हुआ सूरज देखा. जो मुझे सबसे मजेदार चीज़ लगती थी वो ये लगती थी कि जब यहाँ से गाता था ना हाई नोट पे, और मुझे जीने दो तो मैं कभी कभी देखता था कि मैं जब यहाँ पे गा रहा होता था तो मुझे वहाँ से बंदा रिस्पॉन्ड करता था कि यार कहीं आवाज़ आ रही है, तो उसको नजर आता था कि वहाँ पे बंदा को पागल खड़ा है और ये कुछ कर रहा है। तो किसी को पता ही नहीं था कि मैं क्या हूँ और मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ।
गाने का नाम है 2 AM। ये वो टाइम है जिस पे ये आर्गुमेंट आपके दिमाग में स्टार्ट होती है। So if somebody can, you know, if wants to think about it कि किसी से कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रही है, करेक्ट हो सकती है। कोई दोस्त भी आपको समझा सकता है यार, मतलब यार तो ये ऐसी प्यारी शहर, प्यारी शहर।
क्या लाइन है वो?
चाहत वाले मर नहीं सकते, चाहत
ऐसी प्यारी शहर।
बहुत
यार तो सकते, यार तो वारी। ये तो राइटिंग पूरा कल आप मिलेंगे ना इन दोनों से तो यू विल नो कि ये क्या लोग हैं यार।
वो हमेशा गुलाम अली साहब, मेहदी हसन साहब की और जगजीत सिंह साहब की गज़लें सुनते थे।
यार सजन कदी मोड़ मुहारा।
तो वो मेरे कान में पड़ती रहती थी। तो मुझे याद है कि मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में जो सबसे पहला म्यूज़िक ख़रीद के सुना, वो जो मोहल्ले में दुकानें होती हैं जहाँ पर वो एक सीडी से 50,000 सीडियाँ कॉपी कर लेते थे। वो वाली सीडी थी और वो गुलाम अली साहब की थी और मेरी एज इस वक्त 9-10 साल हो गई जब मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी की पहली सीडी ख़रीदी थी। कि वो एक बड़ा सा कंप्यूटर होता था वो उसके अंदर मैंने आके लगाई और मैं बस उनको सुनना और मैं उन्हें याद करने की कोशिश करता था हमेशा। उस वक्त तक मुझे ये आइडिया नहीं था कि ये कोई प्रोफेशन बनाने वाली चीज़ है, बस मुझे अच्छा लगता था वो सुनना। तो मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी का एक ख़ास हिस्सा म्यूज़िक को दे दिया हुआ है बहुत टाइम से।
ये शायरी है, शायरी को तो जानते हो?
जी मैं इनकी बॉडी से वैसे तो आई हर्ड यू अ लॉट ऑफ। जब मैं डे 1 पे जैमिंग में गया था, मैंने लाइफ में पहली दफ़ा इतने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स देखे थे कि मैं ऐसे बच्चों की तरह देख रहा हूँ। अच्छा ये लोग, आई वॉज एक्साइटेड, नर्वस नहीं था मैं, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि यार मैं इनको जानता हूँ और मैं इनके पास जाऊँगा ना मुझे प्यार करेंगे।
चलो जी करें यार, मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ सुनने के लिए। इतनी दफ़ा सुन लिया ना इस तरह प्लेबैक में। मैं इस महफिल में हूँ जिसमें मैंने ये लाइव सुना। चलो करो यार, लेट्स डू इट। नहीं यही करो, अच्छा बजा रहे हो।
एक दिन जुल्फी भाई ने मुझे कॉल की कि मैंने एक आर्टिस्ट ढूंढा है तो यार तू सुन ज़रा। तो उन्होंने एक यूट्यूब पे वीडियो प्ले की। एक लड़का खड़ा हुआ है और स्पीकर्स पे उसने जो छोटे स्पीकर ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर्स होते हैं उस पर एक ट्रैक प्ले किया हुआ है और वो लाइव उसके साथ गा रहा है। ट्रैक ख़त्म हो गया, हम दोनों ऐसे बैठे हुए चुप। ना मैं जुल्फी भाई को कुछ कह रहा हूँ, मुझे कह रहे हैं हाँ जी मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है जहाँ पर बात होगी ना, बात से मेरी मुराद ये है कि जब आप किसी चीज़ पे फ़लसफ़ा बयान कर रहे होते हैं, मैं वहाँ पे बिक जाता हूँ।
ओके तो ये कौन है यार, ये कौन बंदा है, ये कैसा बंदा है, इसकी थॉट क्या है, इसकी सोच क्या है, ये यू जस्ट यू नो मुझे लगता है मैं कंज्यूम ब्यूटीफुली कंज्यूम हो गया उसकी दुनिया के अंदर। महफिल से ये स्टार शाह। और ऑनेस्टली बात बताऊँ, I still haven't asked his name कि वो उसका असली नाम क्या है।
When you move into the society तो आप देखते हैं ये चीज़ें कि आपके इर्द गिर्द नेगेटिविटी ज़्यादा है, लोग धोखा ज़्यादा करते हैं, वो चाहे प्यार हो, लोगों की ज़ुबान पे कुछ है, दिल में कुछ है।
सारे गिले शिकवे और शिकायतें जो हैं ना एक ह्यूमन बीइंग को, एक इंसान को मुआशरे से, वो अपनी शिकायतें बयान कर रहा है।
ते प्यार तो इलावा ओदे कोल कोई होर ना सामान सी ते सच्चे आशिकां दे वास्ते ही रब ने बनाया जहान सी।
एक बंदा है जो उसे बता रहा है कि ये एग्जिस्ट करता है, बट उसके साथ मोहब्बत, प्यार ये भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, क्योंकि ये दोनों की एग्जिस्टेंस ही बैलेंस करती है इस दुनिया को।
चाहत वाले मर नहीं सकते, चाहत ऐसी प्यारी शे, यार तो सकते यार तुम्हारी कायम कायम।
मेरा गाना, मेरे लिरिक्स में ज़िशान भाई को जब ऐड किया गया है तो मुझे लगता है कि वो 4 चन्न कहते हैं, मेरे ख्याल में 8 चन्न लग गए। 2 डिफरेंट चीज़ें एक ही जगह पे कनेक्ट हो रही हैं।
आखिर उल्फत की होती है और मोहब्बत की होती है।
हम एक ऐसा ट्रैक बना रहे हैं कि अब लोग उससे रिलेट करेंगे और लोगों के उन फीलिंग्स की जो है वो इसके साथ कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे। इस ट्रैक के साथ इसकी मेकिंग हो रही है अभी, और हम लोग इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि ये
कितने लोगों को जो है ना
हाँ।
तकलीफ होने वाली है।
क्या बात है यार,
सही कहा आपने, सेटिस्फाइंग।
Oof. It's a whole शहर।
सब कुछ कल ठीक था और हम आज सुबह आए स्टोरी ऑफ आवर लाइव्स।
कितना रह गया है, कितना हो गया है?
डिटेलिंग ऐसी जगहों पे ये होता है जितना मर्जी करें काम में डिटेलिंग।
स्पॉट्स पता लग गए तुम लोग ने, सबने कहाँ बैठना है?
मेरा तो यही स्पॉट है,
यही स्पॉट है।
यही स्पॉट है, ये पूरी शॉप। वेलकम टू गुंजन।
Oof.
पिछला दरवाजा बंद होगा। हाँ जी। तो यार बंद करें तो ये कुछ मसला खत्म हो जाएगा सारा।
कितना मुश्किल है यहाँ पे इतनी वायरिंग करना और सारी चीजें साउंड रूम तक लेके जाना। We thought last year Pasuri was difficult, but this was
No. This is like
It's a whole
the musicians are
शहर।
spread all across this complete 360 type situation. It's a big challenge, but we are almost there.
जब मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ तो मैं सेट कहीं आगे है। माय गॉड, मुझे ऐसा लगा मैं सेट कितने आगे होएगा, तो मुझे फील हुआ कि चल सेट में खलोगे होते। आपने मुझे धोखा दिया, धोखा हर पास ख्वाब खड़े कर दिए। इनके ख्वाब, सबके ख्वाब, सबके ख्वाब बदली। बड़ा मजा आएगा अभी तो रात में जब बिल्कुल ऐसी, ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी असली जगह जो कि पहले ख्याल में थी, सोच में थी, और अब वो एकदम से एग्जिस्ट करने लगी है। मेरा दिल कह रहा है मैं शिफ्ट हो जाऊँ यहाँ पर। प्लीज 2 घर लीजिएगा, मैंने भी रहने दिया।
इशू लग रहा है बिकॉज़ कमरे के अंदर ना इतनी नॉइज नहीं है। फिर वो सब नीचे ना गिर जाए, बस मुझे डर है।
इतना भी नहीं।
It's just Oh.
5 साल पहले ये लिख रहा था धोखा अरबा से, और मैंने इसको सुनाया ऐसे ही। एक दिन हम मिल रहे थे किसी और प्रोजेक्ट के सिलसिले में, उसको मैंने सुनाया और इससे पहली बात ये की कि और मोहब्बत की होंगी, और मैंने कहा कब लिखा है? 5-6 साल पहले।
Oh.
2 चीज़ें हो रही थी जो कि 5 साल 6 साल पहले हो रही थी, अलग अलग हो रही थी। अभी तक एक दूसरे को ये जानते भी नहीं थे, लेकिन कनेक्टेड थे। अब इससे प्यारी बात क्या होती है यार?
So beautiful.
और वो नहीं मतलब दैट कनेक्शन, उसने तो सब कुछ शुरू किया है,
जी जी
फिर सबने दिल लगाया, दिमाग लगाया, कनेक्ट किया, और ये दुनिया खड़ी।
रियल तो रखा है, लेकिन हमने थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक और थोड़ा सा फैंटेसी सी भी लगे, वो मूनलाइट से हमने थोड़ी फैंटेसी सी क्रिएट की।
तो जब मुझे जुल्फी भाई ने गाना सुनाया, मुझे लगा कि यार ये तो मेरा गाना है, एज इन कि मैं खुद हूँ इसके अंदर, कि मैं गिले शिकवे भी कर रहा हूँ, मोहब्बत भी हुई है, दिल भी टूटा हुआ है। तो जब मैंने ये गाना सुना, मुझे लगा कि ये सेटिंग जो है कि यार एक बंदा वॉक कर रहा है, स्टारशाह धोखा हुआ है उसे, और वो दुनिया को बता रहा है, और कुछ लोग हैं जो जाग रहे हैं इस वक्त। एक विंडो की लाइट ऑन है, बाकी सब ऑफ हैं, रात के 2 बजे। उन लोगों की कहानी है।
The idea was, when we were creating the set, to create a space that is based on top of all the mohallas that we see in Pakistan. So it's not a Lahori mohalla, it's not a Karachi ka mohalla, it's a mohalla anywhere. So every corner is made with detail, with love.
Amongst all the 18 rooms that we created on this set, this bookstore, as simple as it is, was my favorite spot. A lot goes into how we decide which book goes where and how to actually make it seem real. So we had to really become what we were setting up.
The concept for the entire song was that how these people and these stories are almost like frames, and they're paintings, and how it's a frame within a frame. So each image is the magic of 2 AM and the paintings that become 2 AM. हर कमरे में एक different story चल रही है, हर कमरे में एक बात चल रही है. There are moments of tenderness, there are moments of love. We had 4 days. It was chaos, it was craziness. We had glass breaking because of the breezes, we had walls falling, but in the end, it just kind of all went up.
जिस टाइम को रिप्रेजेंट करना था, थ्रू कैरेक्टर्स, थ्रू स्टोरीज, वो सब हो रहा है इसमें। विद एवरी फ्रेम जो बनाया हुआ है, वो एक एक स्टोरी लाइन, एक एक बात ऐसे मर्ज कर।
खेल बहुत बड़ा है, बट अगर आप उसको सिंप्लीफाई करें ना, तो ये लोगों की कहानी है। वही सादा लोग जो आप हर रोज़ गुजरते गुजरते गलियों में, खिड़कियों में देखते हैं, ये उनकी कहानी है और हम लोगों की कहानी है।
For me, 2 AM is a very organic, natural, relatable song. तो जो characters उसमें हैं, छोटे छोटे changes हैं उसमें, वो natural life से लिए हुए हैं ना, तो उसका makeup and heavy नहीं हो सकता कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा strong हो. So we kept that feel to it.
Because Starsha has a distinct style and he likes things which are structured. So we got him all black look, Starsha ka favorite color. But I tried to add these accessories and we got this thing made which I really love to give him a little bit of character because all pain is a little boring. Zishan के जो कपड़े हैं वो बिल्कुल हम लोगों ने organic और बड़ी soulful रखी है. उनके आप गले में भी देखोगे, उनका ring वो बड़ी एक हमारी cultural चीज़ को depict करी.
हेलो सर, गिटार की तारें चाहिए, मिल जाएंगी? ऐसी एक असल में जगह बन जानी चाहिए कहीं पे कि वो हमेशा के लिए हो, वहाँ लोग आए, खुश हों, म्यूजिक बज रहा हो स्ट्रीट में, जगह जगह जैसे हमारे म्यूजिशियंस खड़े हुए हैं। तो खाहर पासे
माइंड में ये चल रहा है कि सुबह होने वाली है, तो फिर गाने का नाम चेंज करना पड़ेगा।
5 AM
2 AM की जगह 5 AM करना पड़ेगा। ये
दूसरे लोगों की मेहनत देखी यहाँ पर, मतलब जब मुझे अपनी थकावट का एहसास हो रहा था तो मैं बाकी पूरी टीम के चेहरे देख रहा था कि वो स्माइल कर रहे हैं, वो सब भाग दौड़ कर रहे हैं, तो फिर मुझे लगा कि मुझे अपनी थकावट जो है ना वो बिल्कुल भूल जानी चाहिए। बहुत ज़्यादा ये जर्नी इटसेल्फ, ये जो पूरा प्रोसेस था, ये लाजवाब था और ये ज़िंदगी भर की एक खूबसूरत मेमोरी है जो हमेशा याद रहेगी कि हाँ, एक ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट में हमने एक ऐसा वक्त गुजारा था कि जो कभी भूला नहीं जा सकता।
Starsha sang that first word, I had goosebumps. I was ready to cry. I might just cry right now, I don't know. But like, you know, it was magical.
सच्चे आशिकां दी याद विच शायरी होनी चाहिदी वो मेरी एक शायरी को जो मैंने कभी लिखी थी इतना बड़ा बना दिया सब लोगों ने मिलके ये चीज़ें देखता हूँ तो ऐसे लगता है कि शायद ये वो ख्वाब है जो मैंने कभी देखा भी नहीं था और वो पूरा होने जा रहा है
बहुत 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 शुक्रिया आप सबका मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी आप सबके साथ मुझे लगा मैं जल्दी भी कर रहा हूँ तो संभाल लेंगे सारे तो बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका इंशाल्लाह
तूने बात करना नहीं छोड़नी, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ। तूने कंटिन्यू करना है, म्यूजिक करना है, गाने करना, सब चीज़ें करना। ये तेरा स्टार्ट है, दिखता रहे, और जीता रहे। थैंक यू।
Oh my God.
थैंक यू टू द BTS टीम बिकॉज ये जो आप लोग क्रिएट कर रहे हैं ना ये अगर नहीं होगा तो बहुत इनकम्प्लीट
Yeah.
So I am just like so grateful to the BTS team who are putting all that effort in, to the idea that they ever had, last year's teams who made it so big that today we can watch. It just, the artist emotions, there's nothing else that captures it better than BTS. And the story behind making is just phenomenal. All of you guys as a team, you guys are doing us like, it's such a fab job that, wow.
I just want to say that because of the BTS being like this, and literally it is a magical journey, because what else are we witnessing? A song, a work of art, it's all magic. It's coming out of thin air. It's being born out of people's thoughts and feelings and their desire to emote and their desire to express and tell their stories. It's all intangible energy, you know, like, and the fact that we're getting to see how it gets born is so important, so important, because not only does it magnify the impact of the song, it also you know, how the song is about sort of coming back to believing in love again. The seeing a process like this unfold and documented makes you want to believe in the power of creativity again. You know, in a world where even songs and music is so manufactured and so formulaic, it's just so important to capture this like this, because if people don't see that there's so much heart and there's so much soul in the creation of these kind of masterpiece songs and the kind of impact they have on people, us and everyone watching and listening and feeling it, and the journey that a song has taken over 5 years to become what it's become finally, and to have all these people come into its frame and create it in this form. If we don't see that, then we won't value art, you know, the way it needs to be valued in the world, and the way people need to feel inspired to spend time and to not let their dreams die and to continue doing the good work and fighting the good fight to make art happen. It just gets your belief gets, you know, reinforced after you watch a documentary like this of a song, the making of a song.
And the belief in beyond one's work also. You know,
Yeah.
many times as different creative people in all our lives, we create a lot of work. And many times after creating that work, it doesn't always get its due, right? So sometimes when that due is not given, अब हमें पता है कि बहुत अच्छा काम है, ठीक है? In that moment, purity में creation हो गई, और उसको अब तक उसका due नहीं मिला है. And as time passes, that is the one place where I've seen so many creative people lose hope. It breaks their personalities. Forget about just like it breaks them in the truest, purest way. A breaking can happen. I have seen that happen to so many artists, right? There are the famous ones, जिनको अपने चाहे वो one hit वंडर्स ही क्यों ना हो, उनको उनके एक गाने को वो मिल गया, लाइक या एक फिल्म को या एक whatever को. सो इट इज जस्ट दिस सॉन्ग ऑल्सो टेल्स यू, आपने एक बार क्रिएट किया, अब दोनों ने अपने अपने जो वर्जन्स थे वो कब लिखे थे, and after writing they had kind of surrendered it and moved on to other things and maybe even given up. We don't know what currently they were going through individually. Like, they seem like very happy, bubbly, happy people, optimistic people. But वैसी बातें लिखने के लिए Star Shah must have gone through it, which is why he could write it, right? It's not just observational, it's also experiential. तो वो बात लिखने के लिए it is such a hopeful song for all the creatives to also know कि जो काम आप create कर रहे हो आज, आपको खुद उसकी वैल्यू नहीं पता, लेकिन वो एक जहरी आएगा या आएगी, एक that तराशने वाला person will come who will suddenly look at it and it has its own light, right? And its own manifestation, sometimes which is beyond even the artist. The creation itself has its own light. And we think that just because we've created it, wo hamara hai. Nahi, right? And the divinity, the serendipity of things, ki kisne kahan banaya, aur aaj wo, it's finding its sar basically. That will happen to all of us. Because anything created in this universe has a purpose, whether we know it or not. Now, whether it happens in front of you, if you have the patience for it, not, वो सब दूसरी बातें हैं. Just have the faith, move on.
And it may not even happen in your lifetime. Like, look at Van Gogh. Every piece of art he created changed the world of art forever. I keep bringing him back to him because he also didn't know that his art is going to have that kind of impact. And so beautifully what you said, that, it's exactly what I was thinking when that story, and I was in shock when he said कि ये part उसने 4-5 साल पहले लिखा और ये part Zishan ने भी वहाँ बैठ के, and they had no meeting point. I was in shock because how much I love these kind of living, breathing examples of it, because art is an energy form. It's literally, and a lot of in a lot of cultures they say that the artist himself, they take the pressure off of themselves by not saying that I'm a genius because I'm an artist and I can create so much. An artist has a genius, and that genius visits him sometimes, or and on some days, not on some days. It takes the pressure of the artist because that genius is someone, like, it's a visitor. And also the idea and the thing is that you're channeling something that's divine and that's coming from another source. Now all of that, all those thoughts combined, bring me to the concluding thought that ideas are waiting to be born, and they will manifest themselves in a physical form in an artist, in his mind, and make him write down something. This song, when he said that, this song, I was like, it was waiting to be born in this time, at 2 a.m. on this date, and it was waiting to be born in this avatar where these two people come together. And who's going to bring them together? Coke Studio, Zulfi, and this whole team who has and he's like, it's just the entire play of these external forces which are inexplicable and beyond our understanding is so beautiful to watch, because when that thing is finally in front of us, we all can just marvel at the ways of the universe, and how it works, and how energy has such a strong magnetic pull, the frequencies, when they just are in sync and they match, they will come together at some point and your art will get born. The way he cried at the end when he was saying कि मैंने एक जो गाना लिखा था, जो lines लिखी थी, उनको अब ऐसा form मिला है जो मैं सपने में भी नहीं सोच सकता था, and he was crying there.
That line, the way he said it, his emotion, more than what it's his emotion that pushed me over the edge. Throughout listening to the song and then watching the BTS, my emotion has been coming here, and maybe because of life and over time and whatever, I have learned how to control emotions quite well. So, emotion yahan tak aayega, lekin wo dikhega nahi, right? His emotion as an artist, when he said that last thing, कि मैंने तो बना दिया था, and now all these people have brought it to life. And even before that, that line, Sasha's that line and Zishan's that line, where he said कि मैं थका हुआ हूँ, and I am so, लेकिन मैं आसपास देख रहा हूँ और मैं सबका काम देख रहा हूँ और मैं देख रहा हूँ कैसे वो लोग करते जा रहे हैं. It's like my थकान means nothing. So these two artists these two lines, they literally like pushed me over and said, like, this emotion is just there now. You don't have control over it. Let it go.
Yeah. It's so beautiful because the energies of everyone involved is not only affecting them. Now when we are watching it, it's affecting us also. And it's going to affect anyone who's watching. So it's just this transfer of
love. It's
energy.
transfer of
Yeah,
love.
it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I just love it. And like coming to the journey, the when it started with Starsha sitting by the river and he said मैं गाता था, ये मेरा audience है और यहाँ से मैंने कितने गाने गाए. It was so cute. I was like, in my mind, I was thinking anyone passing by or anyone on the other side who's hearing him will be like, ये कौन पागल है, right? And then the thought came to me, कि we are all mad and all the best people are, like that's the quote, right? It's just so beautifully seen
And it's
there.
also so relatable. Like, anyone who lives around a canal or a nadi or whatever, everybody's done this. मैंने तो किया है. Like when I was really, really young, I have gone like back then with my best friend, like we used to go for picnic next to canal. Like, it used to look exactly like this.
Really?
और हम लोग वहाँ पे actually बैठते थे पानी के अंदर पैर डाल के. And then we would sing loudly. Like because
Nice.
आसपास कोई है ही नहीं, दूर दूर कोई
Yeah.
होंगे, like, yeah. So this was so relatable with what he was
So
doing. I was like, wow, like, it's
I
just
like it.
gorgeous.
I like it. And like he seems like, on the thing of it, it seems like he's a loner. But I think somewhere deep down every artist is, yeah. They have to be. They have to go into their thing. And then they showed just going frame by frame. So they had not even met, I think. They had not even
That's
met
what I
till that
said.
jam
हाँ.
session happened, which I thought was just so Zulfi's had both के साथ meeting, both have written their songs,
हाँ.
he's combined them, he's even heard the sort of scratch layout of the track, the thing,
Correct.
and उन्होंने इतनी बार सुना है, लेकिन अब पहली बार वो जैम रूम में लाइव सुन रहे हैं दोनों को गाते हुए. It was just, I was like, wow.
And you could see Zulfi's excitement for it. Na? He's like, I'm waiting for this moment when यहाँ पे live, that's so cute.
I
Oh,
can't. It just reinforces that the Zulfi with his multiple tabs open, कौन से 2 टैब खोलने हैं इस गाने के लिए. I'm like, please, that browser needs to stay open forever and ever.
I loved that they showed the downside of such a huge set, which is कि यहाँ खड़े खड़े गिर तो नहीं जाएंगे. When Sherry Khattak was there and he was like, खड़े खड़े यहाँ गिर तो नहीं जाएंगे, like, stuff like that. Because after all, it's a set, right? It's so
Yeah.
real. One is treating it like a real place, but it's not. And they said that they had a lot of issues, mirrors breaking and like, मतलब जो आपका normal हवा से ये गिर गया, वो टूट गया. Wow, man.
Imagine.
Well
But
done.
I was thinking this about the set कि the guy what he said कि जितनी आप detailing करोगे उतनी कम है.
बिल्कुल.
इसमें तो you
बिल्कुल.
can't go over with the detailing, and the girl who said the bookshop was my favorite, I'm like, I'm with you, sister.
We all feel you. Yeah.
Yeah, that bookshop stole my heart. Even when I go to Khan Market, the bookstores which are still the purane like 1940s से 30s से जो वो setup थे, I go there first. Those are the cutest because वो बड़े नए bookstores में आपको वो vibe आएगी नहीं, वो छोटी bookshops की जो आती है.
And I
ओहो,
miss it. और अब है ही नहीं
just
क्योंकि malls वॉल्स आ गए हैं सब जगह. तो वो जो छोटी दुकानें हैं, they've run out of it. It's very
Khan Market, I'm telling you, वो है वहाँ.
मतलब
दिल्ली में,
हाँ,
मतलब
मैं तो
अलग
बॉम्बे की बात
शहर.
कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे तो खत्म.
यहाँ पे
सब कुछ
खत्म ना.
खत्म हो चुका है ऑलमोस्ट.
Maybe
हाँ.
old town में, I don't know.
कोर्ट
Anyways.
वगैरह जाओ तो हाँ. But anyway, point is
हाँ, point
ये
is.
सारी इन्होंने जो relatable बातें डाली हैं. When how at one point they said that this शहर which we have created is not any one city. It is different
Universal.
cities of. They were talking about Pakistan. In my head, I was thinking पुरानी दिल्ली भी ऐसी दिखती है. बॉम्बे के certain parts
जयपुर,
similar दिखते हैं.
लखनऊ, हाँ,
If you go to
मुरादाबाद,
like
सब जगह.
Rajasthan, there are so many, and it's like maybe that relatability is so strong, which will be कि ये जो इन्होंने एक mock शहर खड़ा किया है, वो हम सबके दिमाग में, कहानियों में, जो दादी नानियों से कहानियां सुनी है, उन कहानियों में ऐसा शहर है, so which is why it's so relatable to look at it and just flow with it.
And also it's a great metaphor for the शहर is universal, and these thoughts that we have in our mind, that is also a universal phenomena. हम सबके minds में ये conversation होती रहती
यार
है.
रोज
So
शाम को वो
beautifully.
पानी डाल रहे होते हैं हर घरों के बाहर. वो मॉक गली के अंदर भी पानी डाल रहे थे शाम को. their thing must be कि मिट्टी राइज नहीं करे. Same reasons why आप एक reality में जहाँ पानी डालते हो अपनी बिल्डिंग के
Listen,
बाहर.
but when they showed the aerial shot of this set, I was like,
Yeah.
उन्होंने शहर ही बना, like literally I was thinking that when I saw the video and the opening frame, वो camera जब गली से, I was like, they've made a city, like they made a, like taken a
उनको एक
different
ग्रांट
place
मिलनी
now.
चाहिए. उनको एक एरिया मिलना चाहिए जहाँ पे कोक स्टूडियो के ऐसे अलग अलग सेट्स हों, एंड उनको एयरबीएनबी शुरू कर देना चाहिए. मैं बता रही हूँ, टूरिज्म.
Coke Studio, Airbnb. Sorry. No, but okay, and one more thing was Zishan, his like, first of all, him talking about the first CD he bought. ओह मुझे क्या क्या सीन्स माइंड में आ रहे थे. सीडी शॉप्स में हम जाते थे और ढूंढ ढूंढ के निकाल के लाते थे. गुलाम अली भी
पायरेट भी करवाते थे. पहले tapes पे फिर CDs पे.
हमने वो CD burner लिया हुआ था घर पे ही करते
Yes.
थे सारे
हाँ, नहीं नहीं.
friends की. No, we
Where
did
there
everything.
was a Midda Music House. We used
अच्छा,
to go there
really?
and give that with a list. First playlists, huh?
Oh.
Back then playlists and all didn't exist anywhere. Like all these apps only weren't there.
Mixtapes used to happen.
Mixtape. So उसका एक एक पहले side A पे मुझे ये चाहिए, side B में गाना mix मत कर देना. Side B का second गाना वहीं रहेगा. Don't mix it up.
Yeah. But it shows like at 9-10 he started his influence happened from there and he's like
Yeah.
मुझे पता ही नहीं था ये profession भी बन सकता है. Just the seeds get planted so early. I was like, parents, please let the children do, you know. You will spot it in them. I don't know. I felt that.
Children will do what they need to do.
And
I
then-
also firmly believe that. Sometimes parents
true.
stopping someone gives you that extra turbo effect to go ahead and do exactly that. So I think everybody is in sync.
No, I'm just saying not
I
the
need
stopping
to.
and then I'm saying
Yeah.
कुछ भी वो कर रहे हैं आप just observe them, you know,
Yeah,
because kids have a way of gravitating towards that which pulls their soul the most and their
बिल्कुल,
heart the most because at those ages their minds and hearts are not corrupted by 100,000 things of the world, so they are very purely just moving towards whatever. Anyway, so that aside, it was very sweet. Yeah, so I feel like I was saying, the jam session then happened. The way they showed that Starsha wala video and then the way Zulfi talked about him, कि यार ये क्या lines लिखी हैं इसने और like I've not even asked him his real name.
Yeah.
That thought, I was like, yes, because the poet in him is who, you know, is.
Zulfi is also so proud of all his artists, right? Like that one line where he said, "कल आप मिलोगे ना तब आपको पता लगेगा ये किस type के artist हैं, क्या करते हैं ये." There's so much happiness, joy, and like he's so like just when you're proud of your kids, no, like you know, like you wait and watch like what they are. That is, it's just truly beautiful. It's a wonderful thing for a person to have. And I think only when it's all those qualities about a person which then result into the kind of work he's doing, the way he's getting people together and, you know, kind of working with them and being able to bring out that music from them. It's just wonderful. To
It's a
connect with
very, very beautiful trait where you can spot the light in everyone and encourage it and not even praise it, but just acknowledge it and see it for what it is. That is enough for most people to want to rally behind you and with you and work with you and create with you and just, you know, so that knack that he has of spotting the light in every person and just magnifying it. He's like a magnifying glass in that. But yeah, I hats off because you're right, the warmth comes out and then everyone like that, like Starsha said कि मैं पहली बार इतने instruments देख रहा था, but I felt like after entering that room कि ये लोग मुझे like प्यार
They like me.
करेंगे और
हाँ, ये मुझे प्यार करेंगे.
I can be, you know, that whole like thing that happens is so nice.
Wow.
Can I just say this is very, very heartwarming. I can't get over you guys in the art department and the video department and the entire crew that set up everything from the costumes to the set to the minute details of this creation. You all are artists. That each window was a frame. Each window was yes. You're absolutely 100% right. Not just the window frames, every nook and corner of this set that you have created, the world that you have taken us into, the mental journeys that we've embarked on because of what you have created is beyond. It's
मतलब
just
एक खिड़की में पूरी कहानी दिख रही थी.
yes,
You know,
yes.
like when we spoke about that mother ironing the thing, I was like, pause. रात को 2 बजे कौन सी माँ अपने बच्चे के कपड़े iron करेगी? The one who's so busy.
इतनी
The one
busy.
who's had no time. The one who is so busy catering to the entire household, the entire that she's not bothering with her own sleep. सब लोग सो रहे होंगे. She's the one. एक सीन में आपने पूरी मतलब कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, पूरी कहानी हो गई. And something so simple is कि ठीक है अब वो जो आयन कर रहे हैं नहीं दिखेगा तो एक स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पीछे भी टांग दो. Like you know, so that एक ही विजुअल के अंदर पूरा इम्पैक्ट पड़ जाए कि क्या चल रहा है वहां पे. So ये जो in depth storytelling with just one visual, like not even a second, na 1 second, 2 seconds it must have stayed on it.
Y'all are
Storytellers.
artists. Y'all are
Storytellers.
storytellers, artists. Y'all are
Wow.
magicians. Seriously, y'all are magicians. It's just beautiful how your work has brought this song so many layers and so many meanings, you know, within the main thought and the main meaning of it. So yeah.
So I was just thinking about it and they have stepped it up this season.
है ना, वही मैं सोच
Already.
रही थी, जैसे ही
दूसरे
शहर
गाने के
दिखा
साथ ही।
आई न्यू कि ये
हाँ,
तो हम बोलेंगे ही, बिकॉज बोलना पड़ेगा।
बनता है।
Yes.
नाइंसाफी होगी अगर नहीं बोलेंगे तो।
Yes, the thought we had in the
मतलब
last कि how
set
will
पे
they step it up?
step artist, you know, like how last season we saw a lot of already Nami artists coming in, you know, and the kind of combinations where you're like, oh wow, this was long overdue. This needed to be mixed up. Like, you know, this needed to happen. So the feeling was a lot of that. There were new artists also, but new artists with enough of a, you know,
Legacy artists and all
yeah,
that. Yeah.
that you are like, yeah, you know, this is good. This time around, it is gone to another level. Because
Yeah.
अभी वो जो होता है ना कि ढूंढ ढूंढ के निकालना और ढूंढ ढूंढ के उनको लेके आना, चाहे वो सेट डिजाइन हो, चाहे वो आर्टिस्ट हो, चाहे वो विजुअल बात जो कही जा रही है, जो मेटाफर सिंपली कैसे वो करना है, एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड सॉन्ग के अंदर वो चीज स्टेप अप हुई है.
Yeah.
They've not just stuck to the laurels and said के अरे ये तो हमने मास्टर कर दिया लास्ट सीजन, अभी हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. They said नहीं, हम खुद की लिमिट टेस्ट करते हैं, let's see where now this goes. So that is coming across, and now song
Plus,
3 they're more
yeah, plus I also, just carrying on that thought, I also feel like season 14, because it was Zulfi and team's first season, they
Yeah.
also had to, you know how it happens that you need to kind of, and Coke Studio has done this from season 1, how you kind of build a brand by connecting with other bigger brands, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the bigger brands have come in, and slowly through them and with them and all of that, the brand of Coke Studio and the platform and what it represents has also built. So, and now Coke, like after establishing Zulfi's brand of Coke Studio in season 14, which also had known names, and so you
Yeah.
also bring in eyes and, you know, ears through those artists. Now the brand of Coke Studio is so small, Zulfi's Coke Studio, I would say, that
Huh.
it has the capacity to take the unknown smaller names and lift them,
Yeah.
because it has already reached that high level. So that, and
Correct.
that is where your true like essence as a creator and I would say, you know,
Zulfi.
an orchestra like conductor happens, because you know when the moment is to do that, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
and so now that you've established this, now it's not about, okay, and I see a lot of these comments because people are like, oh, season 14 में ये हुआ, अब ये artists missing थे हमारे favorites, अब season 15 में इनको definitely लाना, I want to see this one, and you know, names have been, I've read them in the
Correct,
comments.
correct. हाँ, okay.
So people have
हाँ.
expectations कि ये हमारा पाकिस्तानी artist नहीं हुआ इस season में, next season में definitely Zulfi लाएंगे, and you know, fine, fair enough, where they fit in, I'm sure they'll that will also happen. But the beauty that I'm seeing after the first 2 songs is in the bringing of the lesser known names and the lesser heard voices, because that is where you truly establish your brand's strength.
Yeah.
That this brand that we have created is so strong that we can raise others through it.
Like, look
and
at
give
that
them a
song ना,
voice.
जो वो 2018 वाला गाना था.
Hmm.
I'm sure it's been around. If somebody wanted to
It's
listen
been
to it,
uploaded online.
correct?
Yeah.
When you look at that, it has the same lyrics, it has the same melody even, like it's right there for the
Yeah.
taking,
Yeah.
right? But when you listen to that, and now you listen to this whole, you know, jumbo thing that's been created, जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. और ये फर्क जो है, to be able to spot that talent, to say ये exactly ये चीज लेके इसको ये बनाया जा सकता है, when there is hardly any difference and yet there is a world of a difference. That
Listen, the magic of this particular song is in that story, that they were born separately, but the idea itself was not satisfied. It was like, nahi, mujhe is avatar mein nahi. I want to be born in a different avatar with a, you know, a confluence of thoughts and whatever thing, final version. And the way, imagine the idea being like, say, let's name him Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh wanted to be born. So then Ramesh went around into the minds of different people, and that it's anyway, sorry.
5-star की ad बनाई यहाँ पे.
नहीं, ये बहुत ही important चीज है Elizabeth
know.
Gilbert की book में in Big Magic, where she's like, the idea wants to be born in a certain way, and it will relentlessly pursue its birth till it's born in that form. And this song is such a beautiful, living, breathing example of it. Okay, ho gaya. Thank you, everyone. Just, I don't have any words to say except thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for this song. Seriously. Yeah. In all its glory, in all its beauty. Thank you so much.
For the work that you do. Just beautiful. So yay, we will see you all in song 3. And jab BTS aayega tab hum record karenge. So we are not delaying it. It actually hurts us when we can't listen to it immediately. But all that will happen in this format, and just stay with us through this journey. We're loving it so far. Hope you are as well. And yeah, take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper. Bye.
हर एक दिल दी